Hello my beautiful friends, I am at Dollar Tree and the first thing I'm noticing are these really nice jars. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I love these. I like that they have everything out nicely displayed. And these are by far my favorite ones that they have. These are giving me high-end vibes. And at $1.25, you really cannot go wrong. Let's see what other ones they have. I think this is dishware from Christmas time. They haven't updated it. All right, let's explore the rest of the store and see what other items we can find. Okay, so these are pretty high up. I don't know if you guys can tell. This has a little galvanized thing on it. I love that. Oh, this one I was wondering why it was so different. It just that it fell off. And look, that one has a little lantern. See if I can, oh, there we go. Look at those. How nice. $1.25. That is very high-end looking. And then they have these, which I absolutely love. Little desserts. Look at that. How cute is that? I don't want to mess it up. And oh, they even have this one. These are so cute. This is Believe with a little paw print. And then the surfer van, cute. And then like the little boats, very nautical. These are really nice. Oh, it's a little monkey, little sea monkey. I don't think I think they have different ones. Yes, they do. I think they only have, nope, they only have two kinds. They're little meditating. I think little meditating frogs. That's adorable. And then they have doctor's office. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, this goes with the nautical over here. But I love these. How stinking cute. All right, let's keep exploring. For you gardeners, they have tons of accessories. Look, $1.25. These are actually made really well. Really impressed with this. They have some gloves. And let's see. Oh, so many weeds, so little thyme. Oh. And I like that it has the little bee on it. Let's see if there's any other ones. I think they're all the same, actually. Yep, they are. I like them though. $1.25 is actually a really good deal for this one. Pretty decent size. And I know we've seen these, but it's always worth resharing because sometimes people miss stuff. Look at that. Cute little flowers. They have the ladybug and the butterfly. Actually, she goes here. There we go. And then they have the little sloth, the snail. Yeah, I love that they have so many new decor pieces this year for spring. And let's see, they have the little gardens. I like this one. Look at that little well in the shape of a cupcake rather. And let's see. Yeah, these are so stinking cute. Cuteness overload. What is it? Oh, I was wondering what that smell was. Yeah. All right, let me get out of this area. Oh my God, look at this. Home Happiness is homemade and has a little galvanized pig. That is too cute. Life is better on the farm. Oh, I love these. Oh my God, this is cuteness overload. Home, which you know we've seen. Do all things with love. I absolutely love this. The little tag. Oh my God. Yes. Holy cow, you guys. Dollar Tree's been hiding some really cute stuff. Where has this been? Farm. Oh, yes. Wow, look, and it has a little galvanized thing that says moo. Oh, yes. This is actually a pretty big size, too. Welcome to our home. I love these. I'm obsessed with these, you guys. Absolutely love these. That one says home, farm fresh. I don't know if you guys can tell really well, but that says oink. Move that out of the way. I don't know why people do that. Just leave stuff randomly. Our family doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be wonderful. And with these, we've seen enjoy the little things. Home, life is better by the lake. Wow, I am so impressed. Well, come through Dollar Tree with all the beautiful decor. I love this farmhouse setup. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys find these at your local Dollar Tree. Let me know of these items, which one is your favorite. I'd say the rooster one and the cow are probably my top two favorites. And of course, these tags right here with the frame. Absolutely love that detail. I just said $1.25. It is definitely a steal. How amazing. Oh, almost missed that one. Home Sweet Home. Wow, I am so impressed by these. Enjoy the little things. Yeah. All right, let's continue on and see what other amazing deals we can find today here at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen all these wooden pieces for Easter. Anyway, look at these. Happy Easter, and look, has a little wooden knob looking things. Happy Easter. Well, this is a really big sign. They have the eggs. I like this one too. It's supposed to be looking like the fabric banners. Funny Love. I like that one. Yeah, these are so nice. I have to say, they really are stepping up the game for $1.25. Heck yeah, sign me up. Let's look over here. Let's see. Oh, these are just little cars, I guess, for the Easter baskets. So, all right, let's keep exploring. Oh, and look, these say love. I like that it has the already painted on. That one says love too with the little paw print. That's adorable. And let's see. Now we've seen these. Yeah, these are definitely a repeat. And what is this? This looks different. It's like a bucket. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be. Hanging holder. Interesting. I'm not sure how that actually works. Ooh. I know that they have these for Valentines for the smaller versions, but now you can actually make your own. That's cute. That is definitely a new item. I know we've seen these, the little butterflies. I love the little hearts, just in time for Valentine's. So, little mason jars. These are nice. And the lighthouse. Oh yeah, I saw something similar. I forget where. I don't know, my mind's everywhere. But anyway, I love these. These are definitely one of my favorite new items. Oh, when I thought I was done with the look, they even have more over here. They have these tags, and I like these with the wooden beads. And then they have the little house. They have the house over here. They have the initials. Let's see. Little roosters. Look at those little gnomies. What you color in? Cool. Let's see. Alright, let's look over here. Oh, I haven't seen these. Nice little chalk. And very nice. Actually, this one doesn't belong here. I'm gonna put this here for now. I don't like this one. You can actually just use it with your Cricut and make your own designs. And this one, yeah, another one of these. Actually really nice. Oh, it's ripped. Never mind. Oh, and look, these are also new. Cool. Lots of new crafting goodies here in the Dollar Tree. Oh, and look, more of the seasonal, what is it called? The nautical decor. I love those. Oh, and okay, these are definitely for the yard. All right, let's see what they have on this side. Oh my God, they have so many new things. Look at these with the little ladybug. That is so stinking cute. This one says welcome. Holy cow, there's so many new things. I love these. Dreams Blossom. Oh, these are all so new. I haven't seen any of these. Wow, I'm so excited I came into Dollar Tree here in Pleasant Hill, in case you guys were wondering where I was. But yeah, these are so stinking cute. And also the little Nomi. Very cute. But I am loving these three. Very nice. Holy cow, you guys, this is like an explosion of new items. Oh my god, look at these. Farm to table, fresh, homegrown, local. I am obsessed. Holy cow, you guys, this is so beautiful. And look, farm sweet farm. Oh my god, I can't. This is too cute. I'm living out of a hotel right now, but I want to buy it so bad. Yes, you guys, I'm still in a hotel. I love these. Actually, I wonder if they have any. Oh, they have different ones. So let's see, they have Cluck Oink Moo. Yeah, these are all the same. And yep, these are the same. God bless our little home. I love this. I wonder if they actually have different ones. Let's see. I think they're all the same. They are. And look, the little pictures are back. I haven't seen these in so long. And look, home, love. I can't really tell very well. Love lives here. This is our happy place. Oh my god, these gnomes are just so cute. And look at these houses down here. Wow. Holy cow, Dollar Tree has so many cute things out. I'm like, I don't know which one I like the best, but I love everything. Everything so far. Seriously, this is so cute, and I hope you guys are finding these at your local store. And make sure you hit the like button if you love all these amazing finds today here at the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. Oh, and look, I think I just found some hearts. Yes, these are Valentines. I'm like, what are they doing over here? And look, there's this one too. I'm like, did they forget to put them in the right spot? Oh, there's XOXO. And I love this one. I feel like you can have it year round. Maybe I should get it. Yeah. Let's keep it for $1.25. Oh, this is actually a good idea for the closets. Actually looks like it's made well. Pretty cool. Yeah, I found them right here, right next to the carpets. Look at these cute little pigs. Oh my god, there's stuff everywhere. I like that one, but this one is so farmhousey. Again, at $1.25, you guys, so many cute items are rolling into Dollar Tree, and I am here for it. All right, let's keep looking and see what other goodies we can find today here at Dollar Tree. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this total jackpot of a Dollar Tree walkthrough. I cannot believe all the amazing finds we spotted today. So again, if you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I will see you guys in the comment section. Ciao.